Hey, what's up guys? My name is Lauren Hardy and I am home here in Newport Beach, California. I am a virtual wholesaling coach with Wholesaling Inc. And I'd like to introduce you to the 12-part series that I originally put together for my students exclusively. But after a bunch of thought, I realized I want to make this available to everybody. So if you guys want to learn more about virtual wholesaling, I'm giving you a 12 video series that's going to be dropped weekly. If you guys want to follow along, like and subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram, This Mom Flips, so you don't miss when a new video drops. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lauren Hardy. I am the newest coach with Wholesaling Inc. I started this business 8 years ago and I have had a lot of ups and downs since then. I got into coaching because I had a specific niche. I am a virtual real estate investor. So I actually live in Southern California, a place that's very expensive, very high priced. It's also very difficult to wholesale houses in these types of high priced markets. I decided to go virtual, which meant I went out of state. I work a few Midwestern markets. The reason I do that is it's easier. I am happier there. I'm happier running my business virtually, and I have figured out how to do it not leaving the comfort of my own home. That means that I lock up every contract, every deal without leaving my house. My coaching program teaches other people how to do that, and I am working with Wholesaling Inc, teaching you guys all things virtual real estate investing, virtual wholesaling. If you want to learn more about the coaching program, my website is www.virtualinvestingmastery.com. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the importance of coaching. Coaching has made a big difference in my life personally. I would not be where I am today if it wasn't for the mentors and the coaches that I have hired. Believe it or not, in the last 8 years, I have probably purchased 8 coaching programs. And from every single one, I can honestly say that I learned something that at least paid for the program, if not 5x the cost of the program. I think coaching is so important because it cuts the learning curve. Cutting your learning curve is the #1 reason why you would want to get a coach or a mentor. Here's the deal. I've been doing virtual wholesaling for a long time. I had a lot of trials and tribulations. Lots of ups and downs. I've made a lot of 5-figure mistakes. And I put all those mistakes, the remedies, lessons I've learned, and I developed rules. I developed a recipe. I packaged this recipe up, and now I'm selling it to you so you don't have to go through the trials, the tribulations that I went through. That is the #1 reason why I think it is so important to invest in a coaching program. I have had a lot of students tell me before they got into my program, they were lost. And it was because they were trying to use YouTube University to learn this business. Here's the thing about YouTube University. These are my opinions. YouTube University is going to give you a vision. It is going to give you ideas. It's going to tell you what wholesaling is and different ways people do wholesale deals and different ways people are finding off-market properties. It's going to give you vision, but it's not going to give you direction. And direction is what you need to get to your end goal as fast as possible. If you just have a vision, you are going to go all over the place. You are not going to go into the path of success in a straight line. Instead, your path is going to look like this. So trust me on this. YouTube University is great. It's free, but guess what? You get what you pay for. I want you to think, what are all the hard lessons that you could avoid? And then I want you to think, what is your time worth to you? Is it worth your time to spend 8 years trying to figure out how to invest in real estate virtually on your own? Or how about a 10-day course? You can figure it out in 10 days. That's for you to decide. And I'm not here to tell you what to do, but I am here to tell you what I personally did. I always invested in mentors every single year. I made it a personal practice that with the money that I made, I would always set some aside to pay for education, whether that was a seminar or a coaching program or even one-on-one mentoring. Believe it or not, I've done it all. I have bought coaching programs that were $5,000 that came with education and group coaching. They were awesome. I've also paid a mentor a monthly retainer just to work with me privately. Believe it or not, I've even been in a mastermind program that was $25,000 a year. I have done it all, and I have absolutely gotten what I've paid for back in deals, if not 5x. So it was worth it to me. So that's it, you guys. That's all I have to say about coaching. If you guys are interested and if you were apprehensive about coaching before, I hope that this video gives you some clarity as to why coaching is important and it is an integral part of your success. If you want to learn more about my coaching program, I want you to go to www.virtualinvestingmastery.com and apply there. Thanks.